10 Audience is one of the newest tools here in the Helium 10 suite, and it's probably one of the most excited I've been about a new tool launch in a while. Now, why am I so excited about this tool, and how can you Amazon sellers use this? Well, we're familiar with a term, or most of us might be familiar with a term called split testing, right? When you're testing two different maybe creatives or titles or images and trying to see which is going to bring you more sales, more conversion, what's going to work better for you. Now, traditionally, and this is nothing completely wrong with it, but traditionally, split testing is done like on live listings, right? Like, let's say you want to test two different main images or three different main images. Well, you might run one main image for a couple of weeks, another main image for another couple of weeks, and the last image for another couple of weeks, for a total of 6 weeks. Well, what's the problem with this? Well, first of all, yes, you might be able to figure out which one is performing the best, but what happens when you do this on a live listings, 4 of those 6 weeks, you now had subpar sales by definition of why you're even trying to do this split test, right? So for 4 out of that 6 weeks, your listing was not getting as many sales as it could because you had images that people didn't like. Well, with Audience, it allows you to test your images or your titles to actual real live Amazon sellers, or Amazon buyers, I should say, before you even have your listing live. Let me show you how to set up your very first audience poll right here. All right. So I'm here and I'm going to do my very first one, create poll. Now, keep in mind that you need to have a linked credit card in your settings. So if you are a platinum or a diamond member, you're a paying Helium 10 member, then by definition, you've probably got that already. It's going to go to the same credit card that you get your Helium 10 account billed to. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and hit create poll. And it's going to take me to the next screen here. All right. Create your poll. Okay. I can use a poll builder, or I can build from scratch. All right. Let's go ahead and use the poll builder. All right. The first thing is, what do you want to test? Let's just say I want to test like maybe a main image. We've got a lot of different things here, guys. All right. You could do a general idea, a logo. You could have music here, a product concept. There are tons of different things you could do. All right. I'm doing main image. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to write my question here of what I want to ask the audience. I could use one of these, right? Or I could just write my own. I'm going to say, if you were searching for a coffin shelf, which of these thumbnail images would make you most want to click on the Amazon listing? All right, let's keep going. Next step. Add your options. Here at this point, you can actually upload your images. You could put your text in here if it was a text one. Let's go ahead and upload the images. So here, what I've got is 3 different pictures of the same coffin shelf. And I'm just curious, do people like this look, or do people like this look, or do they like this more colorful one? All right. I could keep going, but this is all I'm going to do for right now. I'm going to go to the next step right now. Choose the type of poll you'll like. I want to do the ranked one. All right. They're going to see all of the options at once and rank them 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now, this is what I like to do. All right. I could just go to a general audience, but I want to do a custom audience. All right. I could do, women, I could do dog owners. I can do a lot of different things. There's a lot of different traits, but this is the one that I'm curious about. Amazon Prime members. All right. I could go deeper and go into like age ranges and things like that. But for this one, I'm just going to keep it real simple. But as you guys can see here, there are tons of different, characteristics of the audience that I can choose. But I'm just going to keep it simple with, I'm just polling general Amazon Prime members. Let's go to the next step. I can now choose my audience size. I only want to do 50. Usually I can get enough guidance from an audience of about 50 people. All right, let's keep going. Do I want to know more about the respondents? Some things here come free. I'm already going to know what their age range, their ethnicity, their gender is. But if I want to get like some more information here, I can choose these other ones. All right, those will cost a little bit more money. There's more options here as well. All right, let's go to the next step. Amazon Prime members, audience size 50. If you are searching for a coffin shelf, which of these thumbnail images would make you most want to click on the Amazon listing? All right. Everything looks good. Let's go ahead and go to the checkout. All right. By the way, here at the bottom, I can see how much the price is going to be. All right. So here we go. Here is my price, $75. I'm going to go ahead and do the complete payment. And there we go. All right. I'm going to get an email once the poll is completed, or I can just go right back here to this page in a few hours, and I will be able to see what the completed results are. Usually it's pretty fast. And guys, make sure to check out the next video to see how cool this is. All right. How cool the insight you're going to get from these actual Amazon Prime members. And let's see which image people are going to pick. Which one do you think they're going to pick? The black and white one, the one with the essential oils, or the one with that like pumpkin that was actually in it? Which one do you think? All right, let's find out in the next video.